What's the oldest brewery in the world? Find out next on our Brew Culture Moment. It's the Weihenstephan Brewery, of course. The abbey was a Benedictine monastery located in Weihenstephan, now part of the district of Freising in Bavaria, Germany. The brewery, located at the monastery since at least 1040, is said to be the world's oldest continuous operating brewery. The Weihenstephan Brewery can trace its roots back to the abbey to 768 AD, as a document from that year refers to their hop garden. The brewery was licensed by the city of Freising some 272 years later in 1040, and that is the founding date claimed on the modern brewery. When the monastery and brewery were secularized in 1803, they became possession of the state of Bavaria, and since 1923, the brewery has been known as the Bavarian State Brewery Weihenstephan and has operated in conjunction with the Technical University of Munich as both a state-of-the-art production facility and also as a center of learning. So here's to higher education. The brewery produces a number of pale ales and wheat beers. It'd be 789 years after the Weihenstephan Brewery was built before the U.S. would have its oldest brewery, and that happens to be the Yuengling Brewery, built in 1829. And this, believe it or not, and you know how much I dislike commercial beer, is a lager from the Yuengling Brewery, because I was very curious after learning this, and this is delicious. But remember, age doesn't matter, beer matters. So that's our beer culture moment for today. This has been a Matty Boy presentation. Say bye-bye, Matty.
Bye-bye.